Regards, classmate and tutor. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain two lesson plans. How is the development the student? One lesson plan is for adults, and other lesson plan is for adolescents. Okay, let's get started. We start with the lesson plan for adults. In these lesson plans, the level is B1, about the common European framework. With the learning strategies English with a specific purpose, the topic 10 American expression, um, the objective is the student acquire new vocabulary for them, but they use commonly in the native speakers. Okay. In many cases, some people they study a lot of English, but when they watch TV, so operas, listen to radio, they don't understand uh, English because there are many expressions. In this case, in this lesson plan, we study 10 expressions. Okay. They were activity. I have a little song. In the first moment, I put this song. Okay, only put. I need to search TV, computers, a phone with good sound. Okay, I need to a room with good sound. I push this sound. Second, I will put this song and I will explain this song, different meanings, some dudas about the student. I put again and I try to sing with the students. I repeat little by little about the verse. And in this case, I need to have in the memory or computer this song. In this case, if I have internet, I put the link of internet for watch the the song. In this case, is the song feeling song for the student try to sing and acquire commonly vocabulary. Okay, this is the war activity. Is for 30 minutes. Okay. Now, the teacher will deliver this phrase for students. 10 expression of American English. It's all good. I'm upset. And I had some visual ideas. The idea is show these visual ideas and give two examples and explain them in many cases for the student acquire and this vocabulary. Okay. Sorry, this is for adolescents, for adults. Now, once upon a time, I explained everyone vocabulary. I put this video, and this video is 10 minutes explain much better this vocabulary. This is important to make a feedback. Uh, After of this, uh, the student make a reading. Everyone student make a reading, a history, experience with all this vocabulary. They writing and writing. This is the first activity. This activity is for 40 minutes, and for last, the student creates visual ideas about his history or about his text, and they read in public showing the visual ideas. This is the final activity. This is the assignment. 50% the reading and lecturing, and the 50% the visual ideas and the reading. This is the first lesson plans. Now the second lesson plan is for adolescents. Is the same. B1 about the common framework, European framework, is the English with a specific purpose, and the topic is the big trouble with the drugs, reading and speak. The objective the student can read, they explain about the reading. Is the same. The war art activity is a song. The the same activity in this moment. I push the video. I explain some words. I try to sing with the students. The purpose is the student acquire a new vocabulary. And here I had the song. The song is about the problems with the drugs. Um, the question is, why do you choose this topic? Because it's for today, many adolescents have trouble with the drugs. In the same time, I teach English. I teach the trouble about the drugs. Okay, I present this reading, and here I had the drugs abuse. It's a reading for each student read. They concentrate in their shades. If don't have a word, they search in the dictionary. But I need to. Every student focus in this reading, focus in their shape. In this reading, sorry, this is the reading. When the studying end to the read, they answer uh, answer this question: what are the consequences of the drug consume and use? What disaster does the drug use? How do you it prevent? They answer this question, and the next activity, when they answer this question, I put this video. With this video, I make a feedback about the reading. It's the same, but it's a YouTube video. For the finally production, they answer the question, and they must to speak with the teacher about the reading and about the answer. Okay, the assignment is the 50% the answer and 50% the dialogue with the teacher. Okay, uh, thank you for watching. Thank you for time. This is all, and God bless you.